I've seen a couple of things in your wallet that look like driver license. Can I see the rest of them? Poor choice.
I'm sorry.
Real bad. Really very stupid. Mazda. Go up to the light, then turn right so we don't get hit. Pull up. I'm still in the roadway. I don't want to get hit. Hi, good afternoon.
Hi.
Sergeant Lark with the police department. We have a license registration. Stopping you for something we call obstructed tag.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I've seen a couple of things in your wallet that look like driver license. Can I see the rest of them? That one right there looks like maybe Connecticut or something. Oh, I was right. Cool. So this looks pretty fake to me. Same name. Date of birth 4/30/04, but this says 2001. All right. Did you know that possession of a counterfeit driver license is a felony?
No.
Yeah, it's a felony. Like, you could be arrested right now, handcuffed, and taken to jail. Okay. Where'd you get it?
Online?
Like a website? Fake driver's licenses or something?
I think this is the right registration.
It is. You've never seen any of our things, you know, fake to felony. We have signs up around campus, don't have fake IDs, it's a felony. It's got little, like, bubble character and a jail jumpsuit. Well, like I said, this is a felony. So are you a student?
Yeah.
Cool. So you're going to get a student affair referral because you have committed a felony. Okay, but I'm going to tell you right off the bat, it's all being recorded on my body camera. But when you open your wallet, we look for these things, right? We use it for drinking or what?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. I appreciate you being honest. That goes a long way. So the whole thing about the license plate, when you cover the word New Jersey, can't see it. We have cameras that pick up these things when you come onto campus, but they can only read characters. And the officers don't know. Guess who's getting chased down and pulled out of the car with guns drawn on her? That's got to come off.
I didn't know that.
Okay.
I'm really
A lot
sorry.
of people don't know. How's your driver record?
Clean?
Yeah? No tickets?
No.
Okay. When's the last time you got pulled over? Well, hey, you weren't speeding today, so that's a good thing. Where'd you get stopped at?
At home in Upper Township, New Jersey.
Oh, okay. For those of us that have the validation tabs, the little yellow stickers, all of that has to be clean, free of dirt, debris, grease, grime, and mutilation for a distance visible no less than 100 feet. When you cover the word New Jersey, Florida has over 200 types of tags now, so when people cover that, I'm like, I have no idea. But again, the big thing is we get a lot of cars come in, they get hits on these license plate readers, and then we got to try to find the car. It sends the cops on a wild goose chase. We had one today, and I recognized it. I wasn't even here, but thankfully my radio worked, and I got the email. I was in Brevard County, and I heard it, and I called out. I'm like, no, that's an 8, not a B. So I'm going to run your info. Obviously, stay here because you're not free to leave, okay? Got a Connecticut one. It appears to be fictitious, but copy a Connecticut number.
Riley is negative and invalid, and the Connecticut deal cannot be found.
Hi, miss. I appreciate your patience. Are you okay?
Yeah.
All right. I see you crying. Going to be a big deal, okay? This is a college. Believe me, this isn't the first one I've seen. And that's how immediately after you pass it in your wallet, I already saw it. Been doing this a long time. All right, traffic stuff. First off, your license is valid and there's no warrants or wants on you, okay? I'm not going to write you a $114 ticket when all I really want is your pink glittery rhinestone thing either gone or moved. Our cameras are like kind of high up, so maybe just take it off. But we want to be able to see that, and we want to make sure that, you know.
Okay.
I don't want you to get chased down over $114. Not doing that. I am obviously seizing the license. That's evidence. I'm not charging you criminally, okay? But understand that I could have, and everything I needed, body cam, recorded. I would get in trouble for that. You have to talk to student affairs, okay? They're going to contact you via your information on file. I don't know if it's, you know, in person or, you know, virtual, whatever. They could technically throw you out of the college. I've not heard of that happening, but I will tell you, all of the results of student affairs are kept secret from us. So whatever happens, I will never know. So if that happens, you know, but again, I'm telling you on camera, I haven't seen it, okay? We're a college, we expect fake IDs. It's just it happens to be a pretty high level crime for what it is. You might have to take a class, you might have to write a letter. I have no earthly idea because, again, do you have any questions for me about that?
Do I have to take the license plate off now, or can I keep driving?
Okay, so I will tell you, technically, if you continue to drive with that and somebody else sees it, you can get stopped because you're obstructing the word New Jersey. I don't recommend trying to do that right here and right now. Okay, how far are you going to go home? Where do you live locally?
In Libra.
Oh, okay, so on campus.
Yeah, but I was going to go to the gym.
Okay.
But my dad's coming tomorrow, so...
Okay. If not, you know, I'm sure somebody could help you with that. Again, it looks like it's just held on by the 2 screws for your license plate. So those come off, take the border off. I've told other people, hey, if they want to drill holes so that it, you know, the tag drops a little lower, or you probably, if you look at the packaging, it says, you know, check state and local regulations, blah, 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 because they're not legal here, right? Or if you put it on a front plate, we don't care about that.
Okay.
We're looking at the back tags because when you drive on a campus, but you could get stopped anytime between now and whenever, right? There's only a couple of us doing traffic at the moment, so probably okay, but since we've been getting a lot more of these bad hits, I'm pulling over every vehicle that I see that has that, you know, blockage on it, because we want to avoid that. Okay. Any other questions for me, comments or concerns? You feel okay? If you want to sit here for a little bit and chill, that's fine too. You look like you probably need it, but again, you're not being charged criminally, right? You're good to go. As soon as I move my truck, you're good to leave if you want. If you want to stay here for a little bit, you're fine too, okay? Have a better day. Support 10 University.
The date was January 7th, 2025, and at 2 p.m., a routine traffic stop for an obstructed license plate turned into a life-altering moment for a local college student. While explaining that the plate cover hindered camera readability, the officer noticed something suspicious: multiple IDs tucked inside the student's wallet. In a moment of panic, the student unintentionally revealed a counterfeit Connecticut driver's license. The officer immediately delivered a sobering reality check. Possessing a fake ID is a felony offense. The threat of an immediate arrest and a criminal record hung heavy in the air. However, the student chose honesty over further deception. Touched by her truthfulness, the officer decided to waive the $114 ticket and avoid a trip to jail. Instead, he confiscated the fake ID as evidence and referred her to student affairs, warning that while expulsion was rare, the consequences were now in the university's hands. Subscribe for more videos to witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.